Picture this, you've just woken up, groggy-eyed, and you glance at your phone. Your YouTube video has suddenly racked up thousands of views overnight. Now imagine that every one of those views is making you money while you sleep. But how much can YouTube actually pay you for every 1,000 views? Well, buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a journey to uncover the secrets behind YouTube's earnings and how you can maximize your cut. Our story begins with a YouTuber named Alex. Like many of us, Alex dreamed of turning his passion into a paycheck. After months of hustling, he finally hit the golden milestone: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Excited, Alex joined the YouTube Partner Program, ready to cash in on his hard work. But when his first paycheck came in, he was shocked. It wasn't the windfall he expected, it was only a few dollars. How do other creators make thousands, he wondered. And that's the question we're about to answer. You see, the key to earning on YouTube isn't just about racking up views. It's about understanding how YouTube's payment system works. Once you're part of the Partner Program, ads start appearing on your videos and you earn a slice of that ad revenue pie. But here's the twist: that slice isn't the same for everyone. Now, Alex was determined to find out the truth. He dove deep into the world of YouTube and discovered that creators earn anywhere from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. But the reality for most channels, they earn between $3 and $10 per $1,000 views. It turns out there's no single answer. It all depends on a few hidden factors. Imagine Alex's surprise when he learned about RPM, or revenue per mille, the fancy term for how much money you make per 1,000 views. It was like finding a hidden map to YouTube's treasure. He realized that different niches or topics have their own treasure chests, some fuller than others. For example, finance and technology channels were swimming in gold, earning up to $30 per $1,000 views. But prank and gaming channels, they had to settle for much less, often around $1 to $5 per $1,000 views. Our friend Alex was creating tech content, so he knew he was in a good spot. But he had one question: how could he make his earnings even higher? That's when he discovered 3 powerful strategies, almost like secret spells to boost his income. Target high RPM niches. If you create content in high-paying niches like finance, real estate, or health, you can earn significantly more per view. It's like finding a treasure chest that's already half full. Make longer videos. Alex noticed that videos over 8 minutes allowed him to place multiple ad breaks, multiplying his earnings. But he learned an important lesson: only stretch your videos if you have more value to offer. Engage your audience. The more his viewers liked, commented, and shared, the more YouTube promoted his videos, leading to more views and more money. It was like throwing more logs on a fire. But what about you? You might be wondering, how can I start this journey? Well, now you know the secrets, the strategies, the potential, and the pitfalls. If Alex's story inspired you and you're ready to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. Share your own experiences or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, every view counts.